In today's world, we have lots of access to do. We could not understand which activity we should pick up. We people are just wasting our productive time on something which is not valuable, like spending time on social media, level up video game, or making new relationship with somebody. Without recognizing, we are just spending our productive time on something which is not going to help us to improve our future. Hello my viewers, my name is Soumen and today's topic is stop wasting time on something what's not important to you. But before we start, I want to say to every single of one, please watch the video. I think everyone need to watch the video if you want to know the value of time. And if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I make this kind of content about self-development and also learning English language fluency. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and let's start. Without recognizing, many people they still wasting their time on something what's not important for them, like spending time on social media hour and hour, making new relationship with somebody, or spending time with their friends, or level up video game. Still, many people without recognizing they are just wasting time on those things, and because of that 95% people they don't get success. Today's video's purpose is stop wasting time on something what's not important to you. I want to make people understand how much valuable time is, because if the time is gone, this time never come back to us. It doesn't matter how much money we have, how much assets we have, we cannot buy time. If the time is gone, this time gone for forever. Everyone should know the fact. You can earn money anytime, anywhere, how much you want, but you cannot buy time. You cannot earn time. Time is same for everyone. Each of one has 24 hours a day. Look at the successful people, how they manage their time, because they can understand the value of time. They know if the time is gone, this time never come back to us. So because of that reasons, they use their time on something which is going to help them to achieve success, which is going to help them to improve their skills. But we don't do it, even though we don't try to recognize that. Sometimes we can understand that we are just wasting our time on using social media, but we don't try to realize that. We don't try to realize that we are just wasting our time on those things which is not going to help us to bring success, which is not going to help us to achieve our goal. But still many people they wasting their time on those field. Don't do it, bro. Many people they are suffering from failure. They don't get success because they did not use their time on something which is valuable. They get regret in their life. You don't want to put yourself in that situation in future. If you want to live a happy life in future, then now you have to use your time on something which is valuable, which is going to help you to bring success. And most of the people they make mistakes. They are just wasting their time on something which is not valuable. Try to figure it out where you spend your majority of time and stop doing something which is not valuable. If you think those things are not going to help you to achieve success, or those things are not going to help you to improve your skills, then immediately stop doing those things and start to do something what you are passionate about. Sometimes people want to do something but they are doing something else because they did not follow their passion. They did not do something which is going to help them to achieve their goal, and because of that reasons they hate their job. They don't like to do the things what they do every day. I know many people they do something what they hate. They don't want to do those things because it is happening. They did not follow their passion. They did not use their time on something which is going to help them to achieve success. And I don't want it is going to happen to you. If you want to achieve success, if you want to live a happy life in future, then stop doing something which is not valuable, which is not going to help you to achieve success. Stop wasting time. Time is more valuable than money. You can earn enough money anytime, anywhere, but you cannot earn time. You cannot buy time. You cannot save time. Time is same for everyone. If successful people can manage their time, then why we cannot do it? Why we cannot do something which is productive, which is going to help us to achieve success? I think everyone should learn from successful people how they manage their time, how they more productive on something what's really important for them. Don't procrastinate and don't be lazy. Get out your comfort zone. Now is the time to get out our comfort zone and take action towards success. You cannot be lazy. You cannot stay in your comfort zone. You have to get out your comfort zone, and also you have to take action towards success, because I think success is more important than spending time on social media or doing something which is not valuable. Stop doing those things. Most of the people, they are just using their time on something which is really not valuable at all, and because of that reasons I'm talking about these things again and again. Stop wasting time. Many people, they are just wasting their time without recognizing. That is the bad part of spending time. Figure it out where you spend your productive time. Stop doing something which is not valuable. Do something which is valuable. So thank you so much guys for watching me. I hope you will like this video, and also I hope you will learn something from this video about time, about how to manage time properly. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, because I make this kind of content about self-development and also learning English language fluency. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, click on the bell, turn on the notification. Today's for that. I will be back very soon. Bye guys.